Jai Ho, my dear students. I am Ratnakar Suryamshi from SK Public School. Till the last class, we have completed a lesson in geography, that is environment. So today we will start a new lesson in history section of class 7th, and that is tracing changes through 1,000 years. So in this lesson we learn what all the changes took place in the last 1,000 years of history. So about all those important or major changes we learn in this lesson. So let's start this lesson. See, we can say even in your textbook also there are two important maps are given about the Indian subcontinent. The first one is drawn by a Persian traveler Al-Idrisi. See, a Persian geographer as well as a traveler called Al-Idrisi had drawn a map. When he had drawn a map in 1154 Common Era. In 1154 Common Era, Al-Idrisi, a Persian geographer, drawn a map. So if we see that map, we can come to know some important aspects that now I would like to tell you. See, if we see just a map, we can come to know that at present where we expect the southern part of India, there in the map a northern part is given. I mean, it is completely vice versa. In the northern part, now where we would expect the North India, there in the map we can see the southern part of India, and at the top of the India we can see the Sri Lanka, an island country. So this way the map had been drawn by the Al-Idrisi, a Persian geographer, that too in 1154. This is one map, right? And another map that was drawn by a French cartographer. I mean, the people who draw the maps, or the experts, those who draw the maps are called as a cartographer. So a French cartographer also had drawn a map of Indian subcontinent in 1720s. When in 1720s the French cartographer also had drawn a map of India. See, this map is with the some specific informations. See what all those informations are given. See, in this map we can see the places as accurate as we have in the modern map of India. Northern part of India is located in this map where we expect at present, and southern part also is there in the right place almost. So see, the period was different, 1720s and 1154, the period was different. So in this process we can come to know that the informations of the last 1,000 years have been keep on changing. So that's why we are going to learn about the changes which took place in the last 1,000 years. So through that we can understand the changes in this lesson. And see, the map which was drawn by the Persian geographer Al-Idrisi, in that map we can see all the places, names of the places are written in Arabian language. Especially Kanauj is also mentioned in that. Kanauj, at present it is in Uttar Pradesh, and Kanauj is also there in that map, right? And the map which is drawn by the French cartographer in 1720s, this map is used at that time by the sailors and the merchants who used to have a trade link with India, who used to travel India. All those people referred a map drawn by the French cartographer in 1720s. So by this we can come to know that the various changes took place in the past or in the last 1,000 years of history. And see, the fact we have to understand that cartography, right? Say it is a science actually. It is a science of, or it is one technique of drawing maps. That is what we call cartography. See, the geographer of Persia, or it may be the French cartographer. Both have created the maps, but the locations shown in those maps are different, accurately, completely different, right? It shows that how changes took place, or how changes are being taken place. So about that also we understand. And when historians read the maps, obviously, or when they read or when they understand the maps, or it may be the documents or any text, they have to be very sensitive. They have to be very sensitive, and they have to read those maps very carefully. And in this way, even the context which are mentioned, or the details which are given in the map, about those informations also we have to see, or the historians need to see them in a sensitive manner. I mean, the changes are very important. So even the meaning of the places also changed in the last 1000 years. So about those we will learn in the next topic, that is new and old terminologies. New and old terminologies. So in this we learn about the Russia as well as about the India, how the terms of Hindustan and how the terms of Russia have been changed in the last 1000 years. So about those also we learn, especially about India, as we learn here how the term or how the meaning of Hindustan is keep on changing or changed in the last 1000 years. About this we will learn in the next class. Thank you. Jai Hind.